Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Leo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. All right, Leo, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Leo, if you're new here, of course, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Leo, the High Priestess is in reverse with the Magician in reverse. Wow, that's a new one for me. The World in reverse, Four of Cups in reverse, Two of Swords, center of my spread with the Queen of Swords in reverse, King of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, and the Page of Cups. All right, Leo. Nine of Swords, bottom of my deck as well, in reverse, thankfully. So somebody wants to now get out of their stress and tension. Maybe some things came out. Maybe somebody was trying to be a little bit of a trickster here, but they don't want this chapter to end with whoever they were dealing with. But they're getting blocked off now by the Queen of Swords, who doesn't trust them anymore. Maybe this person does have a lot of love, but they were probably hiding it or playing some silly games. They don't know that they want this Queen of Swords. They want this long-term partnership with this person who they see as their happily ever after. And there may be a little apology coming as well, from what I feel, for all this game playing that has been done here. So, Leo, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start your reading, okay? Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Leo and their person. Leo and their person spirit. Leo and their person. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more Leo from another deck. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. One more. Okay, I'm going to take a last couple from a third deck here, Leo. Mix it up a bit, spice it up a bit. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So the first card here, Leo, says, don't come back to me if you haven't leveled up. I knew all along that you had the potential to run again, but the intensity of our connection and my curiosity about it is what kept me interested in you. My boundaries are stronger now, and your old mind games will no longer be tolerated. I think it sums up everything I've just said so far about the reading, right? Okay. Second card says, your indecision is a decision and your non-action is an action. Decisions and actions have consequences. This includes not making a decision or taking action towards me. I feel your energy and receive your telepathy. I reach out to show you how much I care and offer you support. You read my messages and I feel you even more, but then you stay silent. Your telepathy is a contradiction to the silence. I just simply can't understand this. If you love me, let me know and let it show. If you don't love me, please set me free and let me go. I'm an understanding person, and I appreciate that although we are eternally connected, we need our own space. I can't understand why you're not able to communicate that you simply need some time to process things. Instead, you ignore me, knowing that it hurts me more and more every time. I'm planning a romantic trip for us to reconnect. I want to cherish you with loving adoration. No matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. I dream that I'll wake up to you, but when I wake up, you're not here. I feel heartbroken every morning. I want you here in bed with me so that your face is the first thing that I see each day. There is more to this that I'm able to share with you right now. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you understand I need time. I have to juggle a lot of responsibility right now. Alright, so Leo, these were some of the messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first. As a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo. Blessing, guidance, advice. Okay, practice makes perfect. Well, somebody will have to really try again. I think this Queen of Swords is very upset and they have lost trust. And they probably are blocking this connection now. So yes, practice makes perfect. There is somebody here who will have to do more than just show one little cup of love here. Maybe the apology is required as well. Practice makes perfect, Mr. King of Cups. Okay, so let's start your reading. But before that, just give me a second. I have to put my battery back on. Go. Sorry, I already did your reading once before and I lost the entire video. I didn't want to cut this short and start again. Alright, so now let's start your reading. The first card here, Spirit, is the High Priestess in reverse. So what happened here? Something came out in the open? Okay, so I think this something came out in the open which made this Empress feel a bit disrespected, I think. They were made to feel a little abandoned, or they got left out in the cold or something like that, and this Empress has decided, no, I don't see any future here. I don't think I want to have any growth or fertility or abundance with this person who is behaving like a little bit of a trickster. Right? Maybe this Empress's intuition told them something which they missed maybe in the past, and now this Empress is saying, well, you can't treat me like this. If this is the way I'm going to be treated, after all, I'm an Empress. You don't treat an Empress with disrespect, and you can't be behaving like a trickster and, never decide. Yes, I think they left this Empress waiting for too long and never made a decision. So why is the World card in reverse then, Spirit? Why is the World card in reverse? Somebody now wants to communicate. Somebody now wants to communicate. Hey, listen, don't shut the door yet. I'm coming, or whatever. So somebody wants to now communicate and see if there is a chance for another go around in this connection. Four of Cups, Spirit. Four of Cups in reverse. They're feeling a little rejected, I think now. I think maybe bored or lonely or sad that this Empress has given up on them. They feel that this connection is coming to an end, and this Empress may not be very interested in reuniting with them anymore. Maybe this is the Empress who's now very upset and blocking them now and saying, hey, you didn't make a decision earlier and now, well, my heart is closed. Yes, this Empress is saying you steered this connection into the wrong direction. You never offered me. So now, I don't offer you. Simple as that. This connection was steered, I think, in the wrong direction by this Magician, who's now wanting to show up as the King of Cups. So Queen of Swords, why are you so upset? Why are you in reverse? You don't trust this person anymore? Yes, this Queen of Swords says, yes, I am the Queen of Swords in reverse. Queen of Swords in reverse is clarified by the Queen of Swords in reverse. That's how angry this person is. So say something, tell us what happened. This Queen of Swords says, I have my boundaries stronger now. I'm holding back now. I've been healing. I'm healing myself from this betrayal or the way this person treated me. They didn't do right by me. They left me feeling quite devastated that maybe they felt disrespected. I don't know what happened here. I mean, there's so many of you. Each one will have a different story to tell, I'm sure. But this Queen of Swords is quite disappointed, I think, in this connection and is holding back from whoever this person is. King of Cups, you sitting in the upright. Oh my God. Leo, what's happening to your reading? King of Cups is also clarified by the King of Cups. Two different decks here. This is a very strong reading. So, King of Cups, tell us what happened. What do you want to say? Come on, let's give him the mic now. King of Cups says, well, I regret what I did. They regret what they did. They're very ashamed, very embarrassed that of whatever. I don't know what happened. They want to return. This person wants to return. They want to now not spend the rest of their life feeling bad about things which did not work out. In fact, they want to return back and now show that respect to this Queen of Pentacles to say, hey, I'm going to honor and respect you now. Okay? So, Queen of Pentacles, clarifier please. Queen of Pentacles, okay. Queen of Pentacles is no longer interested, I think. Queen of Pentacles is no longer interested, I think, in this King of Cups. They have found their freedom. I think this Queen of Pentacles is now shining. They're looking good. They're taking care of themselves. They have accumulated their wealth. They are now giving all that loving, nurturing to themselves and probably turned their back on this King of Cups. Maybe they're looking at other horizons, maybe looking for new love. I don't know. Let's see. Yes, this Queen of Pentacles says, well, you know what? Guess what, Omkara Tarot? Now the choice is in my hands now. And I don't want to deal with anyone who was toxic in my life. This person made me feel like this. So why would I want to go back to a person who has these qualities of the devil? So then what's going to happen now, Spirit, with the Page of Cups? Page of Cups. I think there's an apology coming. Somebody wants to have communication about why they sneaked away, what happened, why they left. Somebody wants to come and clear the air. They want to apologize and talk about why maybe they sneaked away from this connection in the first place. Give me one more, Spirit, for this Page of Cups. Page of Cups. Yes, this person wants to come back. They want to come back desperately. Can we please heal this? I can't sit with this stress and tension anymore. I need to come back and rectify things. So, of course, we'll get to know in our next reading to know whether this Queen of Pentacles is going to forgive them or not. Or maybe it's too late, I don't know. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.